In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or sign out your Google account from all devices in just 5 minutes. Whether you logged in on a public computer or simply want to secure your account on unused devices, this guide will help you do it easily and safely. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. It's a circle showing your picture or initial. From the drop-down menu, click Manage Your Google Account. You'll be taken to a new page with several tabs on the left side. Here, select Security. Now, scroll down until you find the section titled Your Devices. This section shows every device where your Google account is currently signed in. Next, click Manage All Devices. You'll now see a detailed list of all computers, phones, and tablets connected to your account. Go through the list and find the devices you want to remove. Next to each one, you'll see an option to sign out. Click Sign Out to remove your account from that specific device. If you want to log out from all devices at once, look for the option that says Sign Out of all other web sessions. This will log you out everywhere except the current browser you're using. And that's it. You've successfully signed out your Google account from all devices. Regularly checking your signed-in devices is a great way to protect your privacy and keep your account secure, especially if you use shared or public computers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.